Good morning, students. From today onwards, we are going to discuss about the chapter Analytical Geometry. In your 10th, 11th standard and 10th standard also, you studied about the analytical geometry. Here, we are going to discuss about the basic definitions of circle, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. In this 12th standard syllabus, we are going to discuss about circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Now, in the first exercise, we are going to discuss about circle. Now, what is the definition of a circle? From your 11th syllabus, you have studied about some basics. Here, we are going to discuss about the definition of a circle. The locus of a point which moves in a plane. Once again listen. The locus of a point which moves in a plane such that the distance from a fixed point is always constant. Once again, the locus of a point which moves in a plane such that the distance from a fixed point is always constant. Now listen this diagram. The locus, what is the meaning of locus? From your 11th standard syllabus, you studied about the definition of the meaning of locus. The path traced by a moving point according as a specified geometrical condition is called locus. Once again, the path traced by a moving point. A point is moving in a plane according as a specified geometrical condition is called locus. Now we are giving the definition of the circle. See, it is a fixed point. Consider this is a fixed point. From this fixed point, I am taking another point P. Say this is a fixed point. This is a moving point. This is a moving point. Now, we are having a specified geometrical condition. From this fixed point to this distance is always constant. Always constant. So, now we are going to find the locus of this point P, which moves in this plane such that the distance from this fixed point is always a constant. Now listen, this point is going to move. This point is going to move. Then it produced a locus. Locus is nothing but a path. See the dotted lines? This is the path. This path is formed. How it is forming? By fixing the constant distance from this point. This point is called fixed point. This is a moving point. This distance is always constant. In technical, this fixed point is called as center of the circle. It is denoted by C. This constant distance is technically called as radius. This constant distance is called radius. This is a fixed point. This fixed point is technically called as center. Give the name C. This is a constant distance. Wherever you can take, all are the same only. These distances are called radius. From the center to the boundary, from the center to the end, this is called radius. This constant distance is called radius. Now this point is moves. This is called the path. The path is the circle. Once again listen. The locus of a point. The locus of a point. This dotted line is nothing but the locus of a point P, which moves in this plane such that the distance from this fixed point is always constant. This is the definition of the circle. Now we are going to form equation of the circle. Initially, we are giving the definition. Now, equation of the circle. With the help of the definition only, we are able to form the equation. of a circle. Now listen, I am saying it is a center. Generally it is denoted by h comma k. I am taking a point P of x comma y. This path is called circle. This is the definition just now we are using. Now from the CP it is called radius. It is always fixed one. From this diagram, see CP equal to R. We are able to produce CP equal to R. What is the meaning of CP? It is nothing but the distance between 2 points. Now see, distance between the 2 points is given by the formula x minus h the whole squared. From your 10th syllabus also, you are using the same distance between 2 points. Y minus k the whole squared equal to R. By avoiding this root, we can get x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to R squared. This is the general equation of the circle with the center h comma k and radius is R. Once again listen, C is the center. It is a fixed point. It is denoted by h comma k. In general, P is a moving point. It is denoted by x comma y. Now from this diagram, CP equal to radius, because the radius is the fixed one, always constant. From this, so what is the meaning of CP? Distance between 2 points. Square root of x minus h the whole squared, then y minus k the whole squared equal to R. To avoid this root squaring both sides, now we can get x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to R squared. This is the general equation of a circle with the center and the radius are given. Now listen, once again from this, this is the general equation of the circle with the center and the radius are given. Now if the center is origin 0 comma 0, if the center is origin 0 comma 0, now listen, here h comma k is replaced by 0. Now we can get x squared plus y squared equal to R squared. This is the equation of the circle with the center is 0 comma 0 and the radius is R. Radius is R. So radius is R. Instead of h comma k, I am replacing 0 comma 0. Therefore I can get the equation x squared plus y squared equal to R squared. It is the equation of the circle with the center is at origin. Then radius is R. This is also the equation of the circle. This is also the equation of the circle. What is the difference? Here h comma k is the center. Here 0 comma 0 is the center. Now if we are expanding this equation, now listen, we are able to expand this one. What is the formation? It is in the form of a minus b the whole squared. Expand, we can get x squared. Then minus 2hx plus h squared. Again, we are expanding the second one, y squared minus 2ky, then plus k squared equal to R squared. Listen, if we are expanding this one, x squared, it is in the form of a minus b the whole squared. So x squared minus 2hx plus h squared. Again, y squared minus 2ky. Again, one more k squared equal to R squared. Convert everything in the same side. We can get x squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky. Then already we are having one positive h squared. Again, one positive k squared. Convert this R squared in the other side. We can get minus R squared equal to 0. So, if we are expanding the general form of this equation, x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to R squared. If we expanding this one, we can get an equation of this type. Generalizing this equation can be modified. That is the general form. We can write like this: x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. By generalizing this equation can be generalized like this: x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of a circle. See here, you are having three types of equation. This is the first one: x minus h to the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. This is the first equation. Here the center is h comma k. Here the center is origin. Then the general form of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Suppose this type of equation is given in your question, we are able to find the center. What is the center of this equation? Minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f. Then radius of this equation is square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. Square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. How we are getting this equation? This result, listen once again. Center is minus g comma minus f. Radius equal to square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. How we are getting this one? Listen carefully. These are the theoretical concept. Everyone must understand the theoretical concept. If you are very well in your theoretical concept, then you can do the problems are very simple way. Now listen, comparing these two. This is the expansion of the first form of equation, x minus h to the whole squared, then plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. We are getting this one. We can generalize this one. Now we are able to compare this one. See, x squared, y squared. Then 2g is replaced by, listen, 2g is replaced by minus 2h. 2 will be removed. Now g equal to minus h. Therefore h equal to minus g. You can write like this: h equal to minus g. In the same formation, 2f is replaced by, see here, 2f is replaced by minus 2k. 2 will be removed. Therefore f equal to minus k. Therefore k equal to minus f. Initially, I am explaining center is h comma k. What is the formula of center? H comma k. Now this h comma k is replaced by minus g comma minus f. See, now we are getting center is minus g comma minus f. Once again listen, just comparing this equation: 2g equal to minus 2h, 2f equal to minus 2k, then simplifying, h equal to minus g, k equal to minus f. Initially we are explaining center is h comma k. Now instead of h we can replace minus g, instead of k we can replace minus f. Now listen, this is the constant. See this constant, h squared plus k squared minus r squared equal to c. Now I can replace this one. Now listen, c equal to h squared plus k squared minus r squared. Again, this constant is equal to h squared plus k squared minus r squared. I am interchanging this r squared here. It will become positive. Interchanging. This c goes to the other side. We can get h squared plus k squared minus c. Just now I explaining h comma k are replaced by minus g comma minus h. Therefore, r squared, this is replaced by minus g squared. This is replaced by minus g comma minus f squared minus c. Now simplifying this one, what we can get? R squared equal to g squared plus f squared minus c. From this, r equal to square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. This is the radius c. G squared plus f squared minus c. So center is minus g comma minus f. Radius is square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. We are going to use these two results by solving the problems. So once again, recall the things, what the concept so far we discussed. The first one is definition of a circle. What is the definition of a circle? The locus of a point which moves in the plane such that the distance from a fixed point is always constant. That fixed point is called center of the circle. The constant distance is called radius of the circle. In general, center is denoted by h comma k. Radius, the constant distance radius is denoted by r. Therefore, we can get the first formula is equation of the circle is x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. This is the first formula we derived. Just now we discussed. Then the second one is x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. What is the difference between these two? Here the center is h comma k. Here the center is origin. Then the third one is general form of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of a circle. From this circle, center is minus g comma minus f, radius is square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. These are the formulas just we derived. Now, from your 11th standard syllabus, you know the general second degree equation. What is the general second degree equation from your 11th standard syllabus? ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general second degree equation in how many variables? X and y. There are two variables. Therefore, it is called general second degree equation in the variables x and y. If this general equation represents a circle, then what are the two conditions? It must satisfy the two conditions. No xy term. No xy term. That means that is h equal to 0. See, just now we explained x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the general equation of a circle. But it is the general equation, second degree equation in x and y. These two, if it represents this type of equation, what are the conditions? Means no xy term. Then the second condition is coefficient of x squared equal to coefficient of y squared, that is a equal to b. That is a equal to b. If this general second degree equation in x and y represents the circle, then it must satisfy two conditions. The number one is there is no xy term. See here, no xy term. Then the coefficient of x squared and y squared must be equal. See here 1 and here 1. In the same way, instead of 1 we can get any number, but here x squared coefficient is a, y squared coefficient is b, thus must be equal. Then this equation represents a circle. This is the another formation. General second degree equation represents the circle. You have to satisfy these two conditions. Then the another one is, if you know the endpoints of a diameter. What is the meaning of a diameter? See this one, a circle, then center, then this is must be, say this is P and this must be Q. See, P and Q are called endpoints of the diameter. Consider the point P is x1, y1. Consider this point P is x1, y1. Now the point Q is x2, y2. If the endpoints of the diameter is given, we are able to find the equation of the circle. Now listen, P of x1 comma y1 and Q of x2 comma y2 are the endpoints of the diameter. Now I am selecting a point A of x comma y on this circumference of the circle. I am selecting a point A x comma y. Now if you are joining these two points with A, now listen, this must be angle in a semicircle. This must be a semicircle. This is an angle in a semicircle. That must be a right angle. The angle in a semicircle is right angle. From this, AP perpendicular to AQ. See here, AP perpendicular to AQ. That is, angle in a semicircle is right angle. From this diagram, AP, this is AP. Then AQ, here must be right angle. If we are having a right angle, then product of their slopes must be minus 1. That means we know that M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. This is said to be product of their slopes. What is the AP perpendicular to AQ? That means product of their slopes equal to minus 1. So M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. See, what is the meaning of M1? Slope of AP. From this diagram, slope of AP. So we are able to find slope. From your 10th syllabus, you know the slope. What is the formula to find y2 minus y1? See here, y2. Consider this is x1 comma y1. Then this is x2 comma y2. Consider. Therefore, y2 means y minus y1 divided by x2. Here x2 means consider x minus x1. This is the M1, slope of AP. In the same way, we are able to find slope of AQ. Say, consider that is M2. This is the slope of the second line, M2. Use the same formula, y2 minus y1. Consider this y minus y2. Then x minus x2. This is the slope of the second line. By the condition, product of the slopes equal to minus 1. Here substitute the value of M1. Substitute the value of M1 means we see here y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. It is multiplication with M2. See, y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 equal to minus 1. Now, this denominator cross multiplying, we can get, listen, if the denominator is cross multiplying, we can get in the numerator y minus y1, again y minus y2 is equal to, cross multiplying means we can get already a negative, x minus x1, then x minus x2. Converting to the same side, we can get x minus x1, then x minus x2, plus, already we are having a plus, y minus y1, then y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is also the equation of the circle, but the condition is endpoints of the diameter. This is the circle, consider, then this is the diameter, say this is P and Q. Endpoints of given x1 comma y1 and the x2 comma y2. Then any point A of x comma y. Then here the condition is, it is a angle in a semicircle is a right angle. By this condition, AP perpendicular to AQ. If any two lines are said to be perpendicular, then product of their slopes M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. Here M1 is the slope of the first line AP, M2 is the slope of the second line AQ. By using the values here, then cross multiplying, convert into the same side. So x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 is also the equation of the circle with endpoints of the diameter are given. So far we are discussing some basic formulas related on the circle, equation of the circle. By using, with the help of this, you are going to work out some problems. Listen. Now, the first formula so far we discussed is center and radius is given. Center and radius is given. See, question number 1. If the center of the circle is 2, minus 3, if the center of the circle is 2, minus 3 and radius is 4, find the equation of the circle. This is question number 1. Center is 2, minus 3, radius is 4, find the equation of the circle. Just now we discussed center is denoted by h, k, radius is denoted by r. Now just now recall the formula, x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. This is the required formula. So center is given, radius is given. Now we are going to substitute the data. See here, x minus h, h is replaced by 2. So x minus 2 the whole squared plus y minus, already it has negative symbol. See carefully, k already having negative. So negative of negative becomes, it must be positive 3 whole squared equal to r. R is 4, 4 squared is 16. Now just expand and simplify. If we are expanding this equation, we can get x squared minus 2 into 2, 4x plus 4. Again here, y squared plus 3 2s are 6y. Again 3 squared, 9. Convert into the 16 in the same side, you can get minus 16 equal to 0. Simplify this equation, x squared plus y squared. Then arranging 4x plus 6y. See here, already we are having one 4 here, one 9. That means 4 add with 9, we can get 13. But already you are having minus 16. Therefore we can get minus 3 equal to 0. See this equation, x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. Now listen, just x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. H, k is replaced by the center. So 2 and minus 3 replaced by the center. 4 is replaced by radius. Then expand this one. We can get x squared minus 4x plus 4, y squared plus 6y plus 9. Convert 16 into the same side. Now we are getting x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Now listen carefully. If we are having this type of equation, already we discussed, this is the general formation of the circle, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Just now we discussed it is the general equation of the circle, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now listen, if the equation of the circle is given, then we are able to find the center and the radius. That is the reverse process. In this question, initially they are given center and radius. We are able to find this equation of the circle. That is x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Suppose equation is given, we are able to find the center and radius. That is the reverse process. How we are able to find? Compare this one. See, x squared y squared, x squared y squared. Just leave it. 2g is replaced by minus 4. 2g is replaced by minus 4. From that g equal to minus 2. Again 2f is replaced by 6. 2f is replaced by 6. Then f equal to 3. Now the constant c equal to minus 3. Now listen, we are able to find out g and f. Just now I explained, if the equation in the form of general equation x squared plus y squared 2gx 2fy plus c equal to 0, then the center is minus g comma minus f. That means g already negative, negative of negative becomes positive. Then f, see, minus 3. This is given in our data. Center is 2 comma minus 3. Now, what is the formula to find the radius? Just now I explained square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. Now substitute the data. G squared, g is minus 2. If you are squaring, we can get positive 4. F is 3, 3 squared, we can get positive 9. Then c already having negative, negative of negative becomes positive 3. Then simplifying, we can get root 16. That means radius is 4. See this? So center and the radius is given, we are able to find the equation. Equation is given, we are able to find center and radius. This is the first concept. Just we are able to form the equation of the circle. So if any question can be given like this, center any number h comma k, it is generally denoted by h comma k, and radius, it must be a numerical value, radius must be a positive unit only, magnitude positive only. Therefore, if these two data are given, then we are able to find the equation of the circle with the help of the equation x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. Just replace h comma k and the radius, then simplifying, we are able to form the equation. This is the sum number 1. In the same way, we are able to work out some problems based on the same question, same type. See, the question number 2 is, if the center is given minus 3 comma minus 4, radius is also given 3. Radius is also given 3. So center is minus 3 comma minus 4, radius is 3. Find the equation of the circle. Just now we explained, center is denoted by h comma k and the radius is given. What is the formula? Just now I used x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. Now h comma k is replaced by minus 3 comma minus 4. Therefore x minus, if you are already having a negative, this will become positive, negative of negative. So x plus 3 the whole squared. Then y negative, already it has a negative, so it will become positive. Y plus 4 the whole squared. R is 3, here 3 squared we want, so we are able to find 3 squared as 9. Now just expand this one, we can get x squared plus 3 2s are 6x plus 3 squared 9 plus y squared plus 4 2s are 8y, then plus 16. Convert the 9 into the same side. One positive 9 and a negative 9 will be removed. Rearranging this equation, we can get x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 8y, then plus 16 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. Just replace h comma k, that's all, and the radius. Then substitute the data, then simplifying, you are able to find the equation of the circle. So x squared plus y squared, 6x, 8y plus 16. It is the general formation of the circle. X squared plus y squared, 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the sum number 2 based on center and radius is given. If the center and radius is given, you have to use only one formula, x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. Just replace h comma k and form. Now the second type of, this is the second type of sums related on the same circle. If equation of the circle is given, we are going to find out center and radius. The type number 1 is center and radius is given, we are able to find the equation. Now the reverse process. Equation of the circle is given. Now listen, x squared plus y squared, then plus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. The question asked is find center and radius. Find the center and radius. So equation is given x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Now compare this equation with the general form of the circle. What is the general form of the circle? X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of the circle. Now compare this one. 2g equal to 6. So we can get 2g equal to 6. From that g equal to 3. Again 2f equal to minus 4. From this f equal to minus 2. C equal to 4. We need g, f. We need g and f and c. Now what is the formula? Center is minus g comma minus f. So minus g. So minus 3. F already having negative. So negative of negative becomes positive. Therefore center is minus 3 comma 2. Now we have to find radius. The formula is square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. Now the radius r equal to square root of g squared here. G squared means 3 squared. 3 squared 9 plus f squared minus 2 squared, it will become positive 4. Then minus 4. See here minus 4. So c is 4. So minus 4. Positive 4 and negative 4 will be removed. We can get root 9. Root 9 equal to 3. See the other type. So center. We are able to find the center and radius. So equation of the circle is given. Equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Immediately compare with the general equation. General equation means standard equation of the circle. What is the standard equation of the circle? X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Compare with the given equation. Find g, f, c. Then use the formula. Center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. Just now we discussed how it happens. So everyone should understand why we are using this formula. Then in which place we are able to use this one. So that I am initially telling, form the general equation initially. Then you must be very clear in theory. After that you are able to use everyone very simple way. Now the same type of one more question is there. Find the center and radius. The same one. Find center and radius. The question is like this. X squared plus y squared minus x, then plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Listen, x squared plus y squared minus x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Now compare with this. We have to find the center and the radius. So see here 2g equal to, always x squared plus y squared, here also x squared plus y squared. Just leave it. 2g equal to minus 1. From that g equal to minus 1 by 2. See here 2f equal to 2. 2f equal to 2. From that f equal to 1. From this f equal to 1. C equal to minus 3. C equal to minus 3. Now we are going to find out center. Center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. Center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. Just replace. Already negative. Negative of negative becomes positive 1 by 2. Comma g, f is replaced by. So minus g already negative. Negative of negative becomes positive. Here f is positive already. So it will become minus 1. So center is 1 by 2 comma minus 1. Now the radius. Radius equal to square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. Now see here square root of g squared. G squared means 1 by 2 square. It will become 1 by 4. Then plus f squared, already positive 1, squaring means 1. Minus Already C is negative. So negative of negative becomes positive 3. So we can simplify this one. 1 by 4. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Now if you are taking LCM here, we can get, listen, 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. So it can be simplified root 17 divided by 2. This is the radius. Once again listen this one. Square root of, what is the formula to find the radius? Square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. Then g squared. G squared means here, see here g. 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. F means 1, 1 square means 1. Negative of negative becomes positive 3. Adding these two we can get 4. Take LCM, 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. We can write root 17 by 2. That is the radius of this given. Then the same one, find the center and radius. Find the center and the radius of the following circle. Now x squared plus y plus 2 whole squared equal to 0. X squared plus y plus 2 the whole square equal to 0. Now see, it is not in the standard form. So we are able to expand the given immediately. See this one. X squared y plus 2 the whole square. I can write like this, x squared, now y squared, 2 into 2, 4y, then 2 squared become 4 equal to 0. Now compare with the standard equation, that is the general equation, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Compare with this. So expand this one, we can get x squared, sorry, y squared, then 4y, then 4. Already we are having one x squared. Then compare with this one. See here, there is no x family here. So in this type of, write like this, there is no x family. Therefore consider 2g equal to, no x family means 0. Therefore g equal to 0. Then 2f. What is the y family here? 4. Now f equal to 2. We can get f equal to 2. C equal to 4. So g, f, c we are able to find. Now what is the formula to find the center? Center equal to minus g comma minus f. So here g equal to 0, f equal to 2 with negative. So g 0, f 2 already. So minus 2. Now we have to find the radius. What is the formula to find the radius? Square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. Now listen, g squared means here 0, just leave it. Here f squared means 2 squared 4. C equal to 4 with negative 4. That means radius equal to 0. So radius equal to 0. So center is 0 comma minus 2. Now radius equal to 0. So this general equation, this given equation simplified like this, x squared plus y squared plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. And compare with this standard equation, then find g, f, c, then substitute in the data. Center is minus g comma minus f, radius is square root of this formula, use it, then we can get 0. This problem, this given question can be, we can use one more idea also here. Without expanding, we are able to work out. See this one. So you can get all the ideas. See here. I can write like this in the standard formation. What is the general formation? Initially we are thinking about x minus h the whole squared minus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. We can use that formula also. See here, I can write like this. This given equation I can write like this. X minus 0 the whole squared. I can write like this. Plus, see this one, y minus of minus 2 the whole square equal to 0. See, compare with this one, x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r square. This is the formula, very first formula we used. X minus h to the whole square. So here h is 0. Therefore, center is h comma k. Center is h comma k. H is 0. Then k is minus 2. Already negative, here negative. K is minus 2. We can write like this also. Center h comma k, 0 comma minus 2. Then radius is 0. So radius equal to 0. We can write like this also. So x minus h the whole square, y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So we can write the given question in the form of x minus h to the whole square, general formation. Then y minus k the whole square equal to r square. This is also we can work out. Then the fourth sum in the same model, find the center and radius of the following circle. See here, 2x squared. The question is 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 6x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. So 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 6x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 is the equation of the given circle. General equation of the circle just now I explained. X squared plus y squared. That means the coefficient of x squared equal to y squared. See here 2, 2. Coefficients must be equal. If you are having the equal coefficients, then divided by that number. See, x squared coefficient is 2, y squared coefficient also 2. So divide by 2. So now we can get x squared plus y squared divided by entire equation is divided by 2. So if you are divided by 2, we can get 3x. Here divided by 2, we can get 2y. Here divided by 2, we can get 1 equal to 0. So this is the general equation, given equation. We are able to convert in the general formation x squared plus y squared. Now with the x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Compare with this now. So now 2g equal to minus 3. See here 2g equal to minus 3. Now g equal to minus 3 by 2. In the same way 2f equal to 2. 2f equal to 2. F equal to 1. Now c equal to 1. What is the formula to find the center? Minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f. So now g is already negative. So negative of negative become positive 3 by 2. F equal to 1. So center is 3 by 2 comma minus 1. Now we are going to find out the radius. So find the radius. What is the formula to find the radius? Root of g squared plus f squared minus c. So here root of g squared. G squared means, see here, 3 by 2 square means we can get 9 by 4. Then f squared means 1 square, we can get 1. Again c, minus c, that is a formula. Here c equal to 1, minus 1. This positive 1, negative 1 will be removed. Then square root of 9 by 4, we can get 3 by 2. This is the radius. In this given equation, starting with the 2x squared plus 2y squared, the coefficient of x squared and y squared must be equal. That is divided by common number 2. So we can get the equation like this: x squared plus y squared minus 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Then compare with the standard equation. Now find out the value of g, f, c. Now the center is minus g comma minus f. Then the radius is, apply this formula, substitute the data, we are able to get the values of center and radius. These are the one type of the questions based on find the center and radius. Now, so far we discussed two models. The first model is center is given, radius is given, find the equation of the circle. What is the formula we are using? X minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared. That is the equation of the circle. Then the other type of the questions are equation of the circle is given. They are giving the equation. You have to find the center and radius. Then the given equation is generalized. Compare with the generalized equation. X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then find g. then F and C. Use the formula. Center is minus G comma minus F. Radius is square root of G squared plus F squared minus C. So far we discussed two types, that means two models, cousin, based on your syllabus only.